Go for it. Go for it with your eyes closed. Even if you feel weak and exposed, just go for it. Go for it even if you think he doesn't like you or she doesn't want you, because that might not be true. Go for it even if you're flattened against the corridor, your breath speeding, your heart racing, your pulse screaming itself sore. Go for that goddamn cricket tryout no matter what the turnout, because for one moment you were caught in this beautiful technicolor daydream that you could be a part of their team. If you weren't so bloody scared of being compared, you see, life is not a report card, so please go for it. Go for it even if your palms are sweating, even if your legs are shaking. Tell your crush that you want to kiss him in that place behind his ear and take him out for ice cream. Send that job application, take that impulsive vacation, mail that manuscript to that publishing house and get rejected. But do it anyway, because there really is no other way. What is the worst thing that can happen, huh? A broken heart, a bruised ego, insecurities, then let it happen. It's okay to lose, but not to lose out because you're terrified. Terrified of what? Not being good enough, being laughed at. It's fine, we will get over it, but please, go for it. Walk onto that stage and raid the spotlight, even if your throat feels constricted and tight. Blabber and skip the punchline. Make a fool out of yourself. It's really fine, but go for it. Go up on that stage like a superstar. Even if you're not, trust me, it will take you far. It shouldn't have to be this hard. You shouldn't have to question yourself this much. You're buying into this ridiculous idea that courage means walking on a tightrope, always wearing a stethoscope, running into a burning building and saving babies, rock climbing in your 80s. But it's not always that, you know. Courage is asking for a raise at work for your hard work. Courage is also applying to that university, the one you thought was too good for you, as if you knew. Courage is asking that girl out, the one you said was way out of your league. Courage is starting your new band and going for that gig. Every beautiful thing that you want to do, you can. You've got every chance you need in this lifespan, so go for it. Risk your skin and you might just win. Take that plunge, that grand cliff dive, and I promise you that no matter what, you will come out alive. Because your heart can handle it. Because the water at the bottom is worth it. Go for it, because there is nothing more refreshing than telling your fears to get lost, and you know it. You know it. Go for it. Jump and drown again and again and again, and you will see that this is how waterfalls are made. So don't be afraid. Go for it.